Dear students, today I'm going to discuss about integrated PhD program. Integrated PhD program where 2 years MSc continued for PhD for another 3 years. That means 2 years MSc plus 3 years PhD will be done in a stretch. So if you able to get a seat for integrated PhD in any of these institutes, IITs, Indian Institute of Science, ICERS, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, National Center of Biological Science, Bangalore, JNCSR, Center of Cell and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, any of this. So you will be paid a monthly stipend. During your MSc, you will get something around 20,000 per month, and when you are doing your PhD, it varies between 30 to 60,000. So that is a good lot of money for the study purpose, and you also doing your research in reputed institutes. So we will learn more about this integrated PhD. Before going to that, I just want to take your attention to what are the differences between regular PhD and that of integrated PhD. So here you will see in this cartoon the regular PhD and integrated PhD. So regular PhD little cumbersome, that means it is not taking a straight turn. It is here, it is a very straight. So you are from the MSc, you are directed towards a particular goal and there is no change and you will achieve it fast. So that's what this cartoon indicates. And I just mentioned some of the differences between regular PhD and integrated PhD. So the qualification required for regular PhD is MSc, whereas integrated PhD, after BSc you can take up this integrated PhD. Duration of regular PhD 3 years, whereas it is 5 years integrated PhD, MSc 2 years plus 3 years PhD. Then the common entrance exam for regular PhD is CSR NET or UGC NET. By qualifying CSR NET, you can take up research in any of the CSR laboratories. There are about 38 laboratories all over the India. Similarly, UGC NET, you may take up PhD any of the universities. There are about more than 800 universities, so you may take up anywhere. So for the integrated PhD, common entrance exam is IIT JAM. I discussed in my previous video entirely regarding IIT JAM. By taking this exam, you can take up integrated PhD in reputed institutes like IITs, ICERS and etc. Then here for regular PhD, the subject, you may choose any subject. For integrated PhD, so you start with the problem or the research in MS or MSc, you have to be continue with that. Then what are the benefits in the regular PhD? You need to take 2 entrance exam, first for MSc, then after MSc you have to take up another the entrance examination to get a seat in reputed institutes for your PhD. Whereas in integrated PhD, less time consuming as you need to write entrance exam only once. If you take up a IIT JAM and opt for a integrated PhD, that's it. You no need to worry about taking one more exam for your PhD. So these are the some entrance examinations for regular PhD. So that is the famous one is the CSR NET. So it is one may take while you are doing your MSc program, you may take up this examination, qualify this examination, and you can work in for your PhD in 38 laboratories of CSR. Then another is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, then UGC NET, JRF examination, DBT JRF examination, ICMR, ICMR laboratories, DBT laboratories, so many laboratories are there. So just you should log into these things and all, and you get knowledge about the type of examination they conduct, and what type of the admission procedure and all this. Then JRF GATE, this also a common exam for so many PhD programs. Then JNU NIMHANS, the NIMHANS is conducting this exam only for the NIMHANS PhD programs. NIPER, that also. So likewise, I have given a big list here, that these are about 20 entrance examinations. So these are just I restricted myself only for biological science and chemical science. So after your MSc, you can think about taking these examinations for your PhD program, and you can do PhD in reputed institutes with good lot of fellowship. You will get about 30 to 60,000 per month fellowship to do your PhD. Then after completing CSR net, you can work in any of these 38 I think CSR labs, like National Institute of Oceanography Goa, CFTRI Mysore, these are RBL Trivandrum, anywhere you will work for your PhD program. UGC net, this is a entrance examination. It is also needed for lectureship in first grade college, as well as this examination also required for the PhD. So you may take a PhD in any of the universities all over India. There are about 800 to 900 universities. They may be private, they may be deemed, they may be UGC controlled, MHRDs, all this, So this then integrated PhD entrance examination. This course is offered by many universities in India. Applicants who opt for integrated PhD don't need to take the entrance examination twice. That is the advantage, and it is a less time consuming as compared to the regular PhD course. So as I said, these are the entrance examination. You can think about now itself. After your BSc, you no need to you cannot wait once you complete your BSc and take up this. Now itself, from the first year itself, you should think about what are the syllabus for these examinations, and the examination question papers for last 10 years. All these are you will get in the websites and also in the internet. You can utilize it and you can prepare yourself. There are so many course materials are also there. There are so many the training, online trainings are there, and you can take up this. So as I said, IIT JAM, this is the one important one. Then ICERS also, they conduct their separate tests for PhD, integrated PhD, ICER Tirupati. Then Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, they also conduct the entrance examination in the month of April for integrated PhD program. Then Jawaharlal Nehru University, ICER Thiruvananthapuram, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, they also conduct a separate exam called GS, Graduate Scholarships Examination. Then University Hyderabad, they conduct exam. ICER Mohali, VIT, Assam University, Institute of Chemical Technology, ICT, Mumbai, National Brain Research Center, Gurgaon. So on these institutes, they have integrated PhD programs. They conduct tests. Some are common tests like IIT JAM for so many institutes. Some tests are specific for particular institutes. You have to log into these things and all, and you get information regarding the nature of the tests and other details. So as I said, IIT JAM is the one common entrance for integrated PhD you may think about, or MSc PhD, MSc MTech, all this in IITs, NITs, ICERS and all. I discussed already this. Then integrated PhD in Indian Institute of Science, so they also considered IIT JAM. So these are the fields, biological science. You just log into the website and you check into the field there in which you can opt for your PhD. So biological science in all these departments are there in the Indian Institute of Science campus, and in chemical science you will find all these the laboratories or the departments you will find where you can take up research. Then integrated PhD students in this save an year compared to those who go for 2-year master degree program. The shortlisting of candidates done based on the performance of the JAM. This is very important, IIT JAM. Then integrated PhD in Indian Institute of Science, they consider all these JAM examination, JAM score, then they have a sub application portal, and so all these just log in and you get the more information. So then another important joint entrance examination conducted by Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, it's called graduate school admission or graduate school admission exam, or else GS it is called. So this is like IIT JAM only. So this IIT JAM, this is joint graduate entrance examination for biology and interdisciplinary life science, JGEEBILS. So this for Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, ICERS, they also consider and National Center of Biological Science, all these they consider this score of this examination for their PhD, integrated PhD program. So this are the some of the graduate school admission tests. All these institutes, these are the Advanced Center of Treatment of Research and Education in Cancer, then Indian Institute of Science Education and Research Bhopal. They consider Center CCMB Hyderabad, and Center of DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostic Hyderabad. These institutes in their integrated PhD program, they consider this score also, IIT JAM or GS exam. So this then again all these institute, they consider GS exam score. So you can think about the course, the GS exam, what are the the syllabus and question papers and all these things. So this integrated ICER Thiruvananthapuram, they consider all these the entrance examinations for biological science, and for chemistry they consider this. Then integrated PhD program in NCBS, National Center of Biological Science, that is located in Jakkur in Bangalore. So they have all these fields for integrated PhD programs. You can also log into their website and you will know the procedure. Then they have another unique MSc for the biological students, that is MSc in Wildlife Biology and Conservation. But the admission, it is every 2 years once. That is this year 2020. Then next exam will be on 2022, the admissions. So this also you can log into the website of NCBS and you can check with them. Then integrated PhD, all these they consider either IIT JAM or GS, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, Roorkee. Then IIT Roorkee, they also consider CSR NET examination. So this for their PhD, regular PhD. For integrated PhD, they consider IIT JAM. Okay, so these are the National Institute of all these are some of the very good the world class institutes. You can think about your integrated PhD there by taking up IIT JAM or GS examination. So scientific research are studies that should be systematically planned before performing them. So this is very important. So this now itself in the very beginning of your first year BSc, you should think about, dream about taking up any of these exams and and you have to practice, and you will just definitely you will succeed getting the seats in these reputed institutes. I end up my talk with this quote of our Mahatma Gandhi, Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi. Scientific knowledge requires a constant probing into the why and wherefore of every little process that you perform. So it is very important you all dream to take up a science career and aspire to do integrated PhD in reputed institute. Thank you.